Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
So the rear hatch release button is electric. When you touch that, it releases the latch. If your battery goes dead, you need to get the rear hatch open. As long as you can get one of the passenger compartment doors open, you can crawl through the cargo compartment, like fold down one of those seats. There's a little door back here. You're gonna pop this off with a flat-bladed screwdriver or a trim tool. You'd reach in with your flat-bladed screwdriver or trim tool, and you push this white lever over. It's gonna have some resistance to it, so you're pushing against the motor. Oops. Slipping off. And that will unlock the rear hatch and let it open. So you're just manually pushing that normally gets moved when the electric motor works. You push it open.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.